We live in a world where the wildlife and the nature, it is truly amazing. From the jungle to the Arctic, the desert and the ocean. Every kind of species that your mind can think about. From the small ones to the large ones, from babies to mothers and fathers. But right now, we are destroying their homes. We are destroying every kind of nature. We are making the world non-wild again. We managed to figure out a solution for every single problem there is. And because of that, many animals are suffering. Now there are approximately 25,000 polar bears left. I want to be the voice for any animal's revolution. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting out with the giraffe, and I'm starting out with a base color, and I'm lightening it slightly up just to get the right shade. Now I'm mixing the pink and the yellow color just to get like the orange shade that I want. And I'm using the Nyx Professional Makeup Ultimate Brights palette just to set that in place. And also using the other palette just to shade a little bit with the dark brown from the Nyx Professional Makeup's Smoky Screen palette. I'm using the cream colors by Nyx Professional Makeup again and making some dots or splotches. And I'm using Nyx Professional Makeup Epic ink liner. And also following up with the same eyeliner, just making some more details and darkening the whole animal, and also making some more details on the nose. And yeah. The giraffe needs some hair, so I'm just using the same cream color mix that I used before. And I'm also extending the throat on the giraffe. Then I use this by Nyx Professional Makeup. It's the same cream product, just in white. When you use that underneath other shadows, the shadows you put on the top will pop more. So I tried to make like a purpley blue sky, and I used the shadows from the NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Brights palette. And I'm priming my face with the Honeydew Me Up by NYX Professional Makeup. Then I'm just setting my face with the SFX Translucent Loose Setting Powder, again by NYX Professional Makeup. And I'm also making a tiger. It's exactly the same procedure as the giraffe, just another animal and another features and a little bit another colors, but yeah. So I'm just making small details with the Epic ink liner by NYX Professional Makeup, and I'm also using the same blue shade from the Smoky Screen palette, and I'm making a river. It was weird. It was hard to make a river because it's so much detailing, but I think it turned out okay. I also made an elephant. Ta-da! It's done. Sorry. And I'm contouring my body, and I'm using the Glitter Golds palette and use almost all of the colors on my paintings. Here I'm using the same shades as always on my eyes, just to give it more smooth feeling. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm also using the Worth the Hype mascara by NYX Professional Makeup and filling my brows and using the Control Freak eyebrow gel on them so they stay in place. I'm using the lightest shade in this palette just to highlight, and also contouring my nose with the darkest shade. I had to do the same procedure on my other side of my forehead also, and I'm just putting on some lashes and single lashes. And now I'm just making some more final touches, like making some stars, make it more three-dimensional and more contouring. On my lips I'm using the NYX Laundry in the color Seduction and popping on some glitter from the Glitter Goals palette by Nyx Professional Makeup. To make the glitter I have in my hair, just mixed some glitter and some hair gel or wax or anything, and I'm just wetting my hair, and now I am officially done with the first challenge. What do you think? Please leave a comment. So yeah, I hope you liked the video and I hope you liked the look, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.